Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 9th to 13th March 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see 0.07% positive move, 1.16171 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. Currently here we can see a good bearish candle with a big body and a small upper wick and a medium or large lower wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 4064 level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart over here. So yeah, this is a one-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number to understand what kind of trading strategies I provide. And also you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number, as well as you can directly buy the course from the given link in the description. Also, if you want to understand more about it, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. So now here important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 1.1617 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.16000. Here the direct resistance is 1.16208. After direct support, there is a support of 1.15706 and then 1.15500. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.16457 and then 1.16827. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So now, before I talk about my opinion, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared Profirm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared some discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those Profirm. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or Profirm, I already made a dedicated video on what is Profirm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, if you think that the rules are very strict, then you can also try the real account. I have already shared a broker link in the description, which is GTC FX. You can try them as well. Also, once you try them, I will also add you to my premium membership Telegram channel, where I also share my own trading signals and as well as I also share my own trades, which will help you to take better trades. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this end, that is 1.162082, 1.16457. After, if you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 1.16000 gets breached and a 4-hour or one-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.